Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today we are seeing a PYQ question from GATE 2020 on the topic process synchronization as you see here. So let's see what the question says. Question says is consider the following solution for the producer consumer synchronization problem. This solution solves the problem of producer consumer synchronization problem. So this is and the shared buffer size is n. So let's see the buffer which is shared between producer and consumer. Its size is n. And three semaphores empty, full, and mutex are defined with respect to initial values 0, n, and 1. So here a semaphore empty is a counting semaphore and full also a counting semaphore. Mutex is a binary semaphore. So let's say empty denotes by E, which is initialized to 0. Full is F, initialized to N, and mutex M, initialized to 1. Semaphore empty denotes the number of available slots in the buffer for consumer to read from, which means E denotes the number of filled uh, number of filled slots with produced item, and semaphore fill denotes the number of available slots in the buffer for the producer to write to, and empty slots are denoted by F here. So the placeholder variables denoted by PQRS, here this P, here Q, R and S below, uh, can be assigned either empty or full. There are two options to assign the value for P and Q and R and S. The valid semaphore operations are wait and signal. And question says is which one of the following argument to PQRS will. So let's take the example for producer. Wait P. Producer only can produce item if any of the buffer slot is empty. So P should be uh, greater than 0. So number of empty slots is denoted by F here, as question says here. So P should be full. P we can assign full to P. Wait mutex is not in the option. Signal Q. Here Q so when producer produces a item, it it will increment the uh, value of empty, means the semaphore which denotes the filled, or we can say the uh, the consumed of the slots with items available, as we can say. And here P can be assigned by full and Q is assigned by empty. Wait R to consume any item from the buffer must be a item in the buffer. So wait can be denoted can R, we can assign R for uh, by the semaphore which denotes the full number of slots with items. So here empty slot denotes that. So it can be assigned to R. Empty will assign to R, and S here will signal by full. So here PQRS are assigned. So let's see what is the answer. P full, yes. Q empty, R empty, S full, yes. And as we can see, this C is the correct answer. And we can also see the detailed solution by clicking here on the link. And this link will take us to Gate Overflow, which is a very good website for Gate aspirants. Thank you for supporting this video. Thank you so much.